do some more shabby chic. I've got some more furniture to show you. Before I do that, I just want to show you an update on the cabinet that I did. It's not the one behind, but I do rearrange that all the time. I'm always changing it around anyway. But what I did is I got some different paint and I've repainted the cabinet, and I'll go and show you that now. And it's I didn't really like it white, and I wanted to painted it and then distressed it, and then I actually put some clear black wax on, the Annie Sloane black wax, and I've just buffed it all through there. But what I need to do now, oh no, I put polyurethane wax seal over it first, and then I put the black varnish through it. What I should have done was buy the Annie Sloane clear wax and then use the black wax to buff it out, and then if I make any mistakes and make it too hard, then I can go back over it with the clear wax just to buff it back out. Didn't have any on me, so what I ended up doing was I sanded it back just a little bit more just to take some of the black wax off it. But I think it's really nice. I'm going to get my husband to put these little button knobs on here and that one on there. I've got 3 of them. Yes, I think it come up really well. I really like it. I left it the same inside, like it's still white inside. But yes, I did want it white. I did want it green in the first place anyway. Anyway, so yeah, I was pleased with it anyway. So I repainted the little meat stand. So I'll just go a bit closer and I'll show you what I did. I used the same colour green. It was originally green, so I just did a bit more. I just repainted it. I thought it'd come up really well. It might be a bit bright to show you here, but that's roughly what it looks like. Okay, so that was the colour I used. It's called Picardy Vert, and it's by Divine Elegance. So yes, so that was the colour of the cabinet and the meat safe. And like what I said before, I've coated it with, this is all I had on me, so what I coated it with this clear fluorine polyurethane for all timber and parquetry. So I used that one first, which did seal it. Then I did the Annie Sloane wax black. Now tomorrow I should be buying the clear wax so I can do some more project. That is really nice to work with. I've never used it before, and to me it's like painting your shoes and polishing your shoes with black. Probably can use the same stuff. Anyway, so what I'm going to do today, I've got this wall stand of wood. So what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to paint that with Rust-Oleum. I've got the aged grey, so that's going to be aged grey, and then I'm going to do the edges with black wax. And also I've got one other little thing I'm going to do, boxed in here. Yeah, just this little box. I need to give it a bit of a clean up. I'm going to paint that in the grey as well, and then I'm going to put a stencil on that, which is going to be that in white. I'm going to paint that on though, give it a very light sand on the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint that over, and I'll do it in speed it up so you don't get bored with it, and we'll see how the project turns out. Okay, so we'll get on with this and just give it a coat. I'm doing it in a sort of crisscrossy pattern, so I'm covering it, but just a light cover at the moment. First coat of paint, and I'll let that dry for a little bit. So that's how it's looking so far. Okay, so it's had 2 coats of paint and it's ready to be distressed now, so I'm going to go ahead and just use my sander and just do a little bit around the edges. I'm not going to go overboard with it. I'm using a Superworks sander, SWT 180. A detail sander it is. Picked it up the other day, never guess where from. was lucky enough to pop out and get some clear wax, the Annie Sloane clear wax. So I'm going to give that a go. I've not used it before, so we're going to wax that all over on the table, and then I'm going to apply some black wax as well and just rub it off. So it'll be a bit of a trial and error because I haven't used this one, I've used this one. So yeah, let's get on with that. So this is what I look like a wax. I've got a dry cloth, lint-free cloth, and I'm just going to buff it in. Okay, that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, now this is an experiment, so we'll be doing it on camera. I'm going to apply a little bit of the black wax and then just make the wood a little bit darker and more aged. And if it doesn't work, you go back to your clear and you can kind of rub it out. So we'll try it together, okay? We'll try it in this little corner first. So I've got 2 rags, one to apply it, one to wipe it off with, okay? So let's see how we go. So I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I enjoyed doing this. This has come up really nice. Lovely texture to it with the Annie Sloane wax sealer. I've not used that before, so as you saw on camera, it was new to me as well. Yeah, love it. Love the way this little box came out. And yeah, it was all good fun. So if you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let me know what you think of my paintwork. Okay, I try not to edit it too much so you can see it as real as it is. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.